What's going on, guys? So I'm going to do a quick little video showing you guys how to exactly take these entries, whether it be via long or whether it be via short. Obviously, that indication will come in the call out. So for example, I'm just going to use SPCE just due to the fact that I have this on the watch list for tomorrow. So SPCE, I have in there, give or take $10.66 long, right? So that means we're looking to be buying calls if we're playing options, or we're looking to buy shares if you're trading equities. With that being said, I also did put, has initial push to $11.26, something around that area, right? So the reason being is what we want to see here. And if I just kind of draw a price level here, today's price action, we just closed over the 5-day moving average. We have room to this 1120, 1130 area. And then obviously macro is anything over 1230. Why that's macro is because that would be closing over the 100-day simple moving average as well as the 100 EMA, right? So this is going to be a little bit of a day trade, a little bit of a scalp here. Over 1066 could give you an initial push to these two previous channels, as well as this upper Bollinger Band here. So how does this get played intraday? This is obviously the day chart. Just never mind everything else that I have going on in my chart. If you guys are a little bit more interested on how exactly I'm picking stocks and what all of this craziness on my screen actually means, become a lifetime member, get access to the 2 video courses and the gold members watch list. But that's not kind of what this video is about. This video is just to kind of show you guys how to exactly take the plays. So if we look at the 5-minute time frame here, and I kind of zoom this in, you see all of this price action that we have here, all of this price action that we have underneath this 1066, and it could actually be bumped up 1069. So if SPCE gets over this 1069, we can see here we're going to have an initial push here to the next supply zone, which is 1093. And then over 1093 is going to give us room. We can check on the hourly time frame here, 1093 as well as 1081. And then obviously anything over 1081, look at how clean this channel is. And this is a channel, right? So look at how clean this channel is. We have no supply. If we can just get over this 1083, has a good shot at getting higher. And if we actually take a look at this hourly time frame here, you can see big pop up, a lot of consolidation here, which is always good for a stock going long. What we want to see it do is start inching up towards this 1069 and break this 1069. As soon as it breaks the 1069, you can take the position long. So there's 2 ways to do that depending on the time frame that you guys want to play. If you guys want to play the hourly time frame, definitely you guys are going to be giving yourself more risk. Your stop loss is going to be down here, just below, I would say, either the 10 or the 20-day moving average. So that price is around $10.36. Just understand that that's your risk on the trade. If you guys would like to use the 5-minute time frame, if you want to do a little bit more of a scalp, then definitely maybe the 1042 or even the 1040 kind of correlates with what we were just talking about on the hourly chart. For me personally, how I would play this play is as soon as we break this 1069, 1070, I'm just going to get long. I'm going to get long on the first initial go. What I would like to see is I would like to see the breakthrough here. Even if we do pull back, I want to see this hold. If this 1069 does not hold and it starts coming back down into this channel here, that's my cue to just exit the trade because it's obviously not holding up. Obviously, you can give it a little bit more risk, allow it to come down here, chop around a little bit, but just understand you're going to be in this trade a little bit longer. And on this second pass through of this area is when you're going to actually need it to get going up into that $11 area. So typically what I like to see is stock starts to work its way up here. I would assume a little bit more choppiness action. And as soon as we can break this level, we're going to put in a new high. And then either we are going to consolidate and then take this new high out, or we are going to put in a new high, back test this breakout, then consolidate, and then push off this zone. And this is when you're going to want to be taking profits along the way. I hope that kind of helps. So just with any level that I put in there, just take the price, whatever the price is, kind of correlate that to the 5-minute time frame or the hourly time frame, depending on what time frame you guys want to play. It's all up to you. If you're using the 5-minute time frame, just understand the moves are going to be a lot smaller, but also understand if you're using something like the 30-minute or the 1-hour time frame, you're going to have a lot more risk on the table just because you're giving those candles so much room to wiggle. So the choice is yours. If you want to just try it out, you know, kind of get your feet under you, definitely use the 5-minute time frame, get the break, get into the position, get that position working for you in your favor, and then just start scaling out on the way up. Hope that video helps. And obviously, if you guys found this video through YouTube, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the Discord.